Do you like saving money? Yes, I do. I absolutely love it because right now money is leaving my wallet at a pace that I cannot control. Ugh, the cost of running a small company right now is mind-blowing. You've got insurances on the hike, you've got kit on the hike, you've got subscriptions on the hike. Everyone wants you to subscribe to stuff that you need. Welcome to the channel, folks. Today, I've actually got a solution for you guys. It's a game changer in the world of surveying, and if you're doing drone surveying, if you're using any kind of GPS kit, I have a solution for you which is hopefully going to help bring your costs down running your small business. So let's get into it. One of the biggest costs for me for my GPS kit is my network GPS subscription. Yes, my VRS license. So every year when that comes around, I take a big gulp and money just flies out my bank because you need it. So it's normally on a 12-month subscription. I think round about now the price is about 1,800 less VAT. So that's almost two, let's call it £2,000 every year that's just going for your GPS license. Now, if you're like me, I don't always use my GPS. So I might be setting out using a total station. I might only use my GPS like every other day, if that. If you're not a full-time surveyor, that might be the case. And then for drone flying, I'm doing more and more drone flying, but I'm actually only flying for like 20 minutes a day and not every day. And so my GPS license is like a phone, but I'm not using it as much as I use my phone, and it's just crazy. So today I have a solution for you. The first variable VRS license. So what do I mean by variable? It means you can choose what you want. PQS Tech, the guys that I work with, are now offering you guys TopCon VRS license. So you have a license length option. So 1 year, 6 months, 30 days, or 7 days. And then you have an option of unlimited, 600 hours, 10 hours, or 5 hours. And then SIM or no SIM if you already have a SIM. This is great because you can have bite-sized VRS licenses for as and when you need them, and you can just offset that on your invoice to bill your client for that VRS license for that particular job. For me, this is a game changer in the world of VRS licenses. So if you want to go the way of not chucking out a huge amount of money and just get your VRS license when you need it, this is the perfect solution. I'm going to put a link down in the description, and guess what? I have secured an awesome discount for you. So if you go ahead down in the description, there's a link so you can get your VRS license and you're going to get 10% off. Yes. What more could you ask for? The team over at PQS will be on hand to answer any of your questions regarding licenses and help you out, and we'll get you up and running as soon as possible. Perfect for drone flying and drone surveying. If you are drone flying and you don't have a GPS kit, which I actually don't recommend, but if you are, you can share the license between the two. No more to say other than it's the perfect solution. So thanks, folks. Short video on game-changing VRS flexible licenses. Hit subscribe, like the channel, comment down below on what you do with your VRS license, how much you pay. If you think you use all the hours and all the data, be interesting to find out. I'm back real soon with another video, hopefully to help you out in the world of engineering and construction.